everybody. Rebecca at Wendy Branch's Farm. Today is our final day of our 12 Days of Christmas DIYs. And if you remember back some time ago, we did a video on, actually it was a two-part video on apples. And so it has been 6 weeks since that video. Actually, it's probably been 7 weeks now since that video, and our apple cider vinegar is done and ready to be gotten out of our fermentation crocks and jarred up. We have several kids that like to cook, and this apple cider vinegar is really good for making salad dressings, to put in recipes, that kind of stuff. You can't can with it, but you can use it for, you know, anything that you would use apple cider vinegar for, basically. My sweater's making my thing look weird. Anyways, so I'm going to get the fermentation crocks down and grab a funnel, and we're going to fill these and put a little piece of cloth on the top to make a nice gift. And these are also going to be Christmas gifts. So let me grab those and get them down here on the table. Here's one. And okay, I got our bowl and strainer. We're going to strain this out. It smells so good. Oh, that smells good. It almost smells like wine. So they say that if your the top of your apple cider vinegar, if it has like this glaze or like foggy stuff on top of it, that's actually called mother. They call that mother. And if you have that on yours, then that is a sign of successful apple cider vinegar. So I'm just straining this to get out any big particles that might be in it. So let me see if I can bring you over here where you can see. Well, there we go. You can see what they look like inside the crock. Now the weights are still in there. They're right there. So I've got to pull those weights out and then get all of the big pieces out. Okay, I got enough out of it where it's manageable now. So we're going to pour this out and strain it. All of that apple out. You see that? Let me move this. To get all of that apple stuff out. This is all of the goodness that we put in here to make our vinegar. And now we're just going to strain all of that out. Okay. Okay. Run set this in the sink. I had to grab a paper towel to grab the doorknob because my hands were sticky. Okay, so now we have this beautiful apple cider vinegar. And so what I want to do is strain this one more time through a cheesecloth to make sure that I get out all the little bits. Okay. So we're going to strain this through a cheesecloth, and instead of straining it into a bowl and then putting it through the funnel, I'm just going to strain it right into the jar. This is working really well. You can see there how it's going into the jar. I'll do this one and show you how I'm going to package it up as a Christmas gift for our kids. They'll really enjoy this because they all like salads, and they'll like to make their own. Salad dressing with this. I'm sure that they will love that. Okay, so here we go. Get our paper towel, clean the lid, and all we're going to do to this is put a lid on it. And I need to find some kind of cute little, no, let's not do that. I'm not going to do that because I don't want them to have to move the material. Like normally you would put a piece of material on top and then screw the lid on, or screw the ring on, but I don't want them to have to worry with that. So there we go. Apple cider vinegar. It took us 6 weeks to make this. So yeah, that's going to be a nice gift. And I can't wait to share it with the kids. So I hope you like this DIY. I am super excited that I got to make all of these things, all 12 days of videos. If nothing else, just to show our kids how to do some things that they may not know how to do, and to be able to share all these things that I did as gifts for Christmas. And so I appreciate you watching our videos, and if you're new, I would ask you if you wouldn't mind subscribing and liking our channel. We post videos every Tuesday, and we are ending the 12 days of Christmas today with the apple cider vinegar video. So if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, and things that go on our homestead and things we do, around the farm here, just subscribe to our channel and you'll always be notified when new videos are coming out. And like I said, they come out every Tuesday. And I'm going to go ahead and strain the rest of this beautiful apple cider vinegar into jars and get those packaged up to give to our kids for Christmas. And I'm sure that I will use plenty of it too. I'm excited to try some salad dressing recipes with this. Will be really good. Okay, thank you guys.